welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Subway Surfer. So let's get started. My goal is to reach 2 lakhs, 1 lakh or 3 lakhs. So let's get started. My high score is 8 lakhs. Let's see. I will not use my head start because guys, I can't, it's not working. My touch phone is not touch. I can't touch my phone now. It's working. Now it's very smooth. Okay. My goal is 3 lakhs or 2 lakhs. Let's see, can I reach my goal? Or 1 lakh. 1 lakh will be easy, I think. Ouch. Oh shit. I tried to take the mystery box. Let's see what's my mission. Pick up 50 coins without touching the ground? How is it possible? Oh, I know that. I'll show you how to do that. Wait for a minute. Yes. Did I get any coins? No. It's so hard, guys. Now it's 17,000. How will I get more without touching? What? How it became 0? I'm not sure, right? Oh shit, I died. So is that right? 31,000. I think I should use my head start. No, I won't use that. Maybe later. Let's see, can I do that? Shit. It worked. No. Did it? No, it's not increasing. Oh, maybe I can use jetpacks, guys. That would be fun. Where should I find the jetpack? It will be hard. Let's put in coins. Did I get? No, it's not working. It's so hard without the jetpack. Let's get all of this. Shit! It's so hard, guys. Don't touch the ground. Whatever you do. Oh no, one touch the forever. Oh no. Yes. Now did I get? No, guys. Shit. Shit, I got hit, guys. At 73,000, guys, so sad. Let's see, can I find a jetpack? If I find one of them, that will be nice, huh? Shit! I got many coins. No, that was so sad. See that? My whole board. It's very easy to buy. You can use 20 keys. And ooh, nice. Yeah. I get any of them. Oh, come on. This hoverboard is the best hoverboard in the whole world. Yes. Check. This is so hard, guys. I'll not do the machine. I will reach my goal 1 lakhs. Let's see who will win. I should upgrade this guy a little bit because he's running so slow. Shit! Guys, I forgot to move. Almost 5,000. Guys, if I get to 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, the video ends. So let's see. I should be silent so I can win this. I told this in my last video too. Yes guys, I won the challenge. One of the challenges. The machine. Jump over 10 trains, start and end on the ground. Pick up 15 jetpacks. 15? Are you kidding me? Oh, I can do this. Yeah. Okay, I did it done. Ouch, it hurts. Yeah, and my head. Oh, this is easy now. How to jump start to the end? What does that mean? But I jumped, right guys? Come on below. Yeah, shine. I found a jetpack, the cutest thing ever made. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Easy. Let's go far as we can. Hey you ho! Yes. No. Jump! Yes. Yeah? Yes. I need that jumping boot so I can do that easily. Let's jump it off. Shit, it didn't work. Shit! I got it. Let's put the axe. Easy. Guys, I'm not cheating, okay? I'm not cheating. I'm just playing, guys. This is not a cheating. I can jump this train, yeah. Oh no, it's unlimited jumping. Shit. I forgot about that. I don't need that. I will play that a long way. Oh. Only one mystery box. So sad, guys. 97,000. I was almost 1 lakh. So sad. Almost 3,000. Yes. Now let's see. This one is so hard, guys. I have a nice skin of Jack. That second Jack, Black Dark. That Dark Jack. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm pretty bad at English. Oh no, that was so close. Hey you! Shit! I jumped, right? Almost 30,000. Yay! Hey you! Guys, do you watch the Angry Birds? It's the best cartoon I have ever seen. In 3D version, guys, not 2D. Okay, my game is also better. I played that. Now it's deleted, so I forgot to make my video before deleting it. Sorry guys, I didn't make the video. Oh no, so close. That was so close to death. Oh no. Hey, I'm almost 30,000. Nope. I'm not. And I should got. This time I will break the max. That means 1,000. Not 1,000. Lakhs. I'll go to a lakh. Watch me. And learn how to play this like a beast. I mean that I will run to 1 lakh. So let's see, can I go there? I'm almost 50,000. Yes, I'm 50,000 now. I said that too late. Oh, the points are in the middle. Guys, Jelly, Cobblecop, Slogoman, Trainer, they are the best. They are the best YouTubers I have ever seen. And PewDiePie, T-Series. T-Series have 180 million subscribers. PewDiePie has, I think, 108 million. I think. Jelly has almost 14,000. Then Slogoman has 6,000 only, I think, and Trainer has 4,000. Cobblecop, my favorite YouTuber, then he has, I think, 11 million. Jelly, Slogoman, Cobblecop, Trainer, are you watching this video? If you are watching, please subscribe to my channel because I subscribe to your channels too. Guys, please subscribe to me because I'm a cool YouTuber. Okay, let's see. Oh no, I'm in my next, guys. Why isn't so bad? If I die, because I'm now 1 lakh. I'm running. This is so easy, guys. Not easy. Hey you! That was funny. That was a Mighty Eagle battle cry. Okay. Shit. Okay, guys, like and subscribe on the notification bell. Okay, guys.